Well, he's a natural. So yeah, I think I got a new job for this kid. Hey everyone, welcome back to Clueless Dad. Today we're going to unbox this Panasonic cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the MC-BL480 model in pink. This is a cordless vacuum cleaner, kind of lightweight, weighs less than 2 kilograms. Let's take a look at the box really fast. Features wise, oh by the way, there's a little kid back here. Design wise, it's pretty simple. It's a handheld unit with battery, just basically a pipe and a head with, in this case, some beaters, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. It has apparently some sort of house dust sensor, so it tells you, I guess, when you need to vacuum. And then it has the full capture power nozzle. That includes like this little flip up flap for getting right up against corners and edges of furniture and stuff. So as you can see, it's lightweight and powerful, 1.9 kilograms, powered inverter motor, lithium ion battery, yada yada yada. Lightweight, powerful, and cordless to make cleaning everywhere easy. Let's take a quick look at the back. Features wise, yeah, that's the dust sensor. Detect invisible dust. House dust sensor can detect as small as 20 microns, gives you more efficient cleaning performance. So I don't know if that's when you're using it or when you're not using it, it's detecting dust and it tells you when it's time to vacuum. I'll have to crack open the manual to figure that out, but based on this alone, I couldn't actually figure it out. And then it says light is red, detect dust, turn off, clean up. So yeah, what does that mean? When it turns off, it's time to clean up, or after you clean up, it turns off? I don't know. Bad English. Here's a quick demonstration of how that like edge thing works. So basically, as you get too close to the edge, it pushes on there and flips up and gets extra vacuum into the corner. I guess that works. We'll see. It also has a second head made specifically for cleaning mattresses and other kind of bedding. So it says keep bedding clean mattress nozzle with antibacterial double roller, taps and brushes, picks up dust mites and allergens hidden in the mattress. So that was actually a pretty good feature. My wife wanted to get one of those like UV ones made specifically for cleaning mattresses because she's paranoid about that. But yeah, so this is a compromise. There's a little bit more here on the end and it shows the other attachments. So it has kind of like a small brush for using in your car. There's the mattress nozzle again. This one is made in China, but it is Panasonic. So anyway, let's take a look inside. You want to help?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you open it up? So as always in Hong Kong, they force you to open the box and show that it works before you can take it home, which kind of sucks for unboxings, but I know it works at least. So, and I have some idea what's in here. So first, here's our pipe. So that's basically our hose, our nozzle thing. Here is our alternate attachment. As you can see, it's basically a crevice thing and a brush and converts. I don't know if that's really good. I don't know if I'm really going to need the crevice thing, but yeah, why don't you take it? It plugs in there. Can you do it?
Okay.
Don't drop it. Well, he's working on that one. Let me take the rest out. Okay, here's our wall wart. It's 23.5 volts by 1.2 amps, so not shabby. It can supposedly charge the battery in about 3 hours. And of course, it's the British plug because we're here in Hong Kong. What else we got? Here is our regular floor attachment. Let's take this guy out. Okay, so as you can see, there's actually some metal contacts here on the end, and those fit into some plugs here. And basically that is to, not just to align it properly, but also passes power down from the vacuum unit to run these rollers. So it actually has a powered head. Okay, so that's that. We have the second one, which is the mattress attachment. Okay, and here you can see the mattress attachment. This one doesn't have the power connectors here, so it's basically passive. But these are the rollers, and I guess it's supposed to like bead the surface as you roll it back and forth. And this is the brush that gets the mites out while it's sucking everything. So actually kind of lame.
Wow. All the way?
Mm-hmm. And here is the coup de grace, the vacuum unit. It's actually quite light. Yeah, I guess once you take all this off, it's more closer to like 1 kilogram. Okay, as you can see, the controls are quite simple. Basically just 3 buttons: off, auto, high, and brush on, off. So pretty simple. The battery appears to be here, and this is like the dust canister. It's actually quite small, which is a little bit disappointing. So you're definitely gonna have to clean this out frequently. So just keep that in mind. So there's a filter in there, as you can see, and then there's a small rough one in there, and it just snaps in and out. That's actually pretty nice, but I just wish it was like maybe 6 inches longer. There's another Panasonic one, which is kind of this weird slim design, but the canister was like twice as long. So I know they can do it, they just didn't do it in this case. So I probably should have talked about the rated power first. This one says 250 for the input power. I don't know if that's the input power to the charger or the input power to the motor. I hope it's to the motor. This is a 21.6 volt rated voltage, which is what they list on all, all the packaging and stuff for all these cordless vacuums. I don't actually think that's that important. It's really about the power and the peak power. But anyway, it's 21.6. A lot of the Bosch ones and stuff were similar. Okay, don't touch the camera. So before he goes crazy, let's try it out. He's running away. Not too loud. As you can see, the little light up battery comes on when it's on battery power. I don't even know if it's possible to run this directly off of AC. I guess if you had like an extension cord, you could put the wall wart on there. I don't know, whatever. But it's technically probably possible. So let's try it out. Not too bad. It's not super quiet, but not that bad. It's definitely better than our existing plug-in one. There's high power. Gets a little bit more noisy. The brush obviously not plugged in, so we can't do that. Let's try it with the power nozzle now. So basically that snaps in there. That snaps in here. Okay, here we are with it all connected up. I unlocked this, so now it can flip up when you're pushing against the corner. The way that the brush works is a little weird. I tried to get it to work and it didn't work, and then he picked it up and it actually worked. So basically I think you turn it on. The battery light's showing up now. And then once you put it down, here you can actually hear it. So it has to be touching, and it actually pulls itself forward, so that's not so bad. You want to try it? You want to try vacuum? So that's with the brush on. That's with the brush off. How's it work? Too heavy? So I don't recommend letting little kids play around with this, but, well, he's a natural. So yeah, I think I got a new job for this kid. Don't push that, don't push that. Okay, so there we are. What do you think? Not too bad?
Yes.
Okay, well, we get the thumbs up from the kid. Okay, so that's a quick unboxing and sort of demonstration. Okay, so that's a quick unboxing and sort of demonstration by a little kid of the MC-BL480 from Panasonic. No battery? Yeah, the battery. You just got to push this middle button, the silver one. Push that. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration and unboxing of the MC-BL480 by Panasonic, including the power brush head and the mattress nozzle. I'll do a follow-up maybe, after a couple months when I get around to it. But so far, so good. We'll see. Kids like it. I guess I get some free labor out of him. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. You want to be in there? No? You want to look at the camera? Here, come here. Sit right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. I'm here with my son, and today we're going to unbox a Panasonic MC-BL480. Today we're going to unbox a Panasonic MC-BL480 vacuum cleaner. Well, at least I'm going to. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to unbox a Panasonic MC-BL480 vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the, I guess, Asian model sold here in Hong Kong. There's not anyone hiding behind this box, clearly, in case you were going to be surprised. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to unbox this Panasonic. No, you're here. If you don't hit the box while I'm talking, okay? With just pipe and.
You can clean the beds too.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. Okay. Don't. Back up. Yeah, sit down. Don't touch the camera. And brush and picks up dust mites and allergens to keep.
Spices on it.
Yeah, because I'm in the way. Oh no, where's Aaron? It also has a second nozzle. Okay, shh. And that'll recharge the battery supposedly.
Oh no.
Careful. Aaron, bring it here. Bring it here. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Like this, like this, like this. Can you try to brush the sofa really quietly? So as you can see, the controls are pretty simple. There's basically just like an off button. There is an auto / high one. Okay, don't hit the camera. Yeah, that one first. Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Aram, can you clean your little chair? Can you go and get the dust off of there? By the window. Yeah. By the window, the chair. You see your chair right in front of you. Down. That chair. Your chair. You don't see the chair. Right in front of you. Yeah, that chair. Clean it. Try to vacuum. Yeah, vacuum. Okay, don't touch the camera. Okay, you want to try plugging in? Don't touch that. Okay, so, and here's our final plug-in. Okay. Don't touch it. Okay, well wait, let's try using the vacuum. You want to try it out? Okay, let's try it out. So first we'll power it up with no nozzle in there. No, just this one. Okay, so before he goes crazy, let's try it out. He's running away. One of which is an off button. There's an auto and a high button. Yeah, cleaning the chair. Can you clean the chair silently? Shh. Wow, it's working. Wow, pretty good. How did that work? Okay, cool. It does actually work. Let's sit down.
I want clean.
Okay. You want to try it?
Yes.
Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.